Hi guys, today I got something awesome for you because I'm doing a collaboration with Kanella Ciraco. She's an awesome fluid artist, so supportive, so kind, love talking to her and very creative. I saw her a couple of weeks ago doing a butterfly wing tour. Loved the results. So I tried it as well. Didn't turn into a butterfly, but a tree. Was nice, but not the result I was going for. So I reached out and let's do a painting together. And we'll be doing the same colors on each wing and swap the paintings. Her video will be in the description. Check her channel out. She's awesome. And yeah, let's make this butterfly fly. Alright, I already made a base of white on the canvas. We're gonna start making two puddles and I laid the canvas this way so it's easier for me. Yellow for both. I'm gonna use some violet in this one. Pink and gold. Then here, phthalo blue, turquoise, and bronze. Okay, gonna pour some white around this. Middle. Okay, I'm gonna blow the white over a bit. Like that. And then I'm gonna blow this direction and this. Okay. Guys, I think you missed a part because my battery died on me. So I blowed a little. We're gonna torch this. Yeah, I think this is a butterfly. Like it. So this was a butterfly, or this is a butterfly, right? Okay, it can't fly yet, but it will be when we swap paintings. So it will go to Canada, to Kanella. Check her video out, her painting is beautiful and it will be mine. Thank you guys for watching and see you till the next video.